Good morning, boys and girls. So here we are at our new assignment board. So one thing, if this menu bar right here is blocking part of the part of the assignment board, you can click to either make it click this weird square. It goes into full screen, or it goes into not full screen. And then so you can hopefully you can see everything. So this is what our new assignment board is going to look like. Right here, if you click this icon, it will take you to the Zoom meeting. And then you can click on the day of the week on the left to view the assignments for the day. So if I click on Monday, I will see all of Monday's assignments. Then if I click on this backpack right here, it will take me to the Monday homework. Same if I click Tuesday, you see all of Tuesday's homework. Then click the backpack, or Tuesday's assignments, then you click the backpack to see Tuesday homework. Click on Wednesday to see today's assignments. And then click on the backpack to see the homework. I haven't posted the homework yet for this week, which is okay. You will get that by the end of the day. Then there's Thursday, same thing. Friday, assignments, backpack. So here are some useful links. So if I click on here, so here is Freckle, the link to Freckle and the class code. Here's a link. Click on the icon, the same thing. Click on the icon to go to Freckle. Here's the class code. Click on the icon to go to Epic, and here's the class code if you need it. Click on Prodigy. You're going to log in with Google. Then if you haven't added to my teacher page, you're been added to my class yet, use this code. Here's where you can click on Clever as well. Make sure you log in with Google. And then this is where for some of my students, my Tuesday students that go to Mr. Williams, this is where you will go to click on to get to his meeting. And here is his password. Then we have Archive, which this will be, these aren't linked yet, but you will get if you need to go back and you want to see any old assignments and assignment boards and homework boards, you can go here and click on any of these bars to get to the date that you want. So currently we are on week 8. So you could click on this and then it will just send you right back to where you are. Here we have small groups. We have our RTI groups, math groups, ELD groups. So if you click on the picture, it will send you to what your RTI groups are and what you should be working on during that time. If you want to go back to the small group page, you can go click on that arrow, and then maybe you want to check out your math group. Click on that back arrow. You can want to check out ELD. And then click on the back arrow. So that is how we navigate and use our assignment board, our new assignment board. And so everything is going to be here. You just have to click on the day of the week so that you can get the current assignments. All right. I hope this helps, boys and girls. See you later. Bye.